Hey guys, today we're working on a virtual lab and I just wanted to show you how you're going to do this lab. Alright, so the first thing is we aren't going to be able to type in this because it's a PDF. So I'm going to hit open with DocHub. Okay, we've done several things in DocHub. Yours should have this here. If it doesn't, you're going to go to connect more apps and find DocHub and add it and then go back and it'll look like this. Okay, so I'm going to open this up with DocHub, and I'm going to need first to go to the website that we need for this virtual lab right here. So the first thing I need to do is I need to go to this website. So I'm going to copy and paste it into my search bar. Okay, and when I go to it, it's going to pull up a screen, and yours may look a little different. Mine says this site can't be reached. Lovely. Okay, so since it says site can't be reached, I want you to do something really quick. I want you to type in the search bar alien juice bar, and the first thing that'll come up is the right website. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. It's going to go, and it's going to show that it's blocked. So let me show you what we do if it shows that it's blocked. Here's how you have to do it. You come to the little puzzle piece in the top right, you hit manage, and when it comes up it says block sites from running Flash. Click that. Now you're done. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to go back to my alien juice bar. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, and now it doesn't have the little puzzle piece. Now I'm going to come right here to where it says not secure, and I am going to, not that, I'm going to click to enable Adobe Flash, and then it's going to say allow. And now I've got it. So there's a couple steps, so be sure and pause this, go back and do it so that you can get to where you need to get. Okay, so it says click on challenge 1 and then click start. So we go to challenge 1 and we click start. Okay, now your instructions are step by step, so you need to be sure you read them. It says answer the question in the box. What is an indicator? So I'm going to come back. It said what is an acid-base indicator? Well, what we can do is if we don't know, we can Google it. What is an indicator? So I want you to Google what is an indicator and type that in the box. Then it says click on the picture of cabbage juice and drag it towards one of the 3 drinks. Continue until all 3 drinks have been poured. So I grab my cabbage juice, pour it, cabbage juice. Here's the cabbage juice over here. Drag the cabbage juice and pour it. And then it tells me that I want to place the drinks on the correct shelf. And when done, so I'm going to think that lemon juice, because I know lemons are acids, we go right here. Window cleaner is a cleaner, that's usually bases. And water we know is always neutral. Then I hit check, and it shows that I did it right. So if I go back, it says if you're wrong, the bottoms will come off the shelf and check till you're right. So I'm right, though. It said that all of mine were right. So what I want to do is window cleaner, the color in the beaker, I'm going to want to type here. So I'm going to click my text box. I'm going to drag it right here. And the color in the beaker was, for window cleaner, was green. And it was a base. So I'm going to add another text box. It was a base. Okay. And you're going to do that for lemon juice and water. Now, then we are going to click on test more. So you're going to come back here and click test more, and it's going to give you several more. You're going to come down here and read the directions and list which ones were acids, bases, and neutral based on how you did it. Just the same way. We drag our cabbage juice, distilled water, it turns purple. We know purple is neutral, so I drag it to neutral. Okay, so once you're done with this, you'll have a lot in acids, bases, and then this in neutral. And you'll come back and type those in here. Then it says click continue for a surprise, and then click on main menu. So I want to go back to the main menu. I'm just going to refresh it. And it says we're going to do challenge 2, the flying juice bar. Challenge 2. I'm going to come read my directions while it's loading. And it said read the directions and then hit start. Okay. So I'm going to hit start. Now, what it wants me to do, it says Listen to your customers carefully. If you give them the wrong drink, they can get sick and die, or you will lose your license. Good luck. You can test the pH of each drink with the cabbage juice, and you can also restock the shelf if you run low. Drink choices: lemon juice, water, mouthwash. List them all. Record your results in the data table below. Just a word of advice. This is from your when you had the diploma up on the challenge 1, so don't forget to write this. So they asked for, my first customer is going to ask for an acid. So I'm going to come here. They asked for acid, and I gave them, I'm going to give them an acid. Let's see. I think coffee's an acid. So I'm going to pour it in there. They're going to drink it. And they said that I was right. It says healthy customers. So I gave them coffee. And were they sick? Try again. Yummy or dead? They said yummy. And we can see that right here. So I'm going to type yummy. And once you're done with that, you're going to hit next customer and go through it until you've done 6 customers. And it says, did all your customers survive? Congratulations. Click continue. If they died, you're going to try it again and do it in this table right here. So if you get confused on what you're doing here, go back and pause this video and look again. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is challenge 3. So challenge 3 is we're going to make, so now that you know which juices are acids and bases, see if you can mix the drinks with the pH level asked for by the aliens. So first thing says, what is pH? Now, what I want you to do, here's the pH diploma again, so you can write that up here. But what I want you to do is Google if you don't know what pH is and write the definition in the box. So it says, please make all of these drink acidic. So it says, drag the pitcher of cabbage juice until all the glasses on the tray with pH are indicated. So I'm going to drag the cabbage juice until all the glasses are indicated. Okay, and I can see right now that if my pH is above 7, it's going to be an base. So this is the only one that's an acid. So she says, please make them all acidic. So your job is to add different amount of liquids. This is a tough assignment. Hint, one of the drinks will make the pH either change in small or large increments. You have to figure out the right combination. So this is when you've reached the correct results, it will automatically move to the next level. So my drink number 1, the color to start with, I'm going to say is this one, is green. So my color is green. My pH is 9. That makes it a base. That's when I started. Now, it says we want to make it acidic. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to add an acid to it. I know this one's an acid. So I'm going to add it until I can get it to be below 7. There we go. Now I'm purple. When I finish, notice it says finish. When I finish, now I am purple. My pH is, I think it was 6.98, 6.98. And now, because it's below 7, we know it's an acid. So you're going to do that for each of the 6 drinks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this one, notice, is already an acid. So when you start, you're going to put that it's pink. It's a pH of 2 and it's an acid. And when it ends, you're going to leave it that way. Pink, pH of 2, and acid. So it says in the space below, write 3 facts you learned. Once you're done, you're going to come up to this little thing right here. It looks like download. You're going to click it. You're going to click export to Google Drive. And then you're going to go back to the assignment from today and upload it. Alright, you're going to go back to the assignment for today and you'll hit in your assignment the little plus sign where it says add or create. And you'll hit from Drive and it'll be right there. Alright? Or you can just hit Google Drive and it might show up in your assignment. Alright? Have a great day.